Feet together. Just watch once. From the front, raise your arms, inhale. From the lower back, bend forward, exhale. Forehead towards knee. If you are not comfort, slightly bend your knee. Arms leading the movement. Come up. Inhale. Drop your arms. Exhale. Ready? We'll start. Inhale. Raise your arms from the front. Exhale. Bend forward. Forehead towards knee. Inhale. Raise your arms. Arms leading the movement. Drop your arms. Exhale. Inhale. Raise your arms from the front. Bend forward. Exhale. Inhale. Drop your arms. Exhale. Inhale. Raise your arms. Bend forward. Exhale. Inhale. Drop your arms. Exhale. Two more rounds. Inhale. Bend forward. Exhale. Inhale. Drop your arms. Exhale. Inhale. Raise your arms. Bend forward. Exhale. Inhale.